Welcome to Drive AZ. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Renault Captur, a compact SUV that seamlessly blends style, comfort, and practicality. With its modern design and advanced features, the Captur stands out as a compelling choice for urban drivers and families alike. Starting with its exterior, the 2025 Captur boasts a sleek and athletic look, highlighted by the new Raphael grey bodywork. The Esprit Alpine finish adds a sporty touch, featuring distinctive 19-inch wheels that enhance its dynamic presence on the road. Under the hood, the Captur offers a range of efficient engines. The lineup includes its 90 bhp turbocharged 1.0-liter petrol engine paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox. For those seeking more power, there's the 130 GPF, delivering 130 PS, and the 155 GPF, offering 155 PS. Diesel enthusiasts can opt for the Blue DC 115, a 115 PS engine available with both manual and automatic transmissions. Inside, the Captur impresses with its spacious and versatile cabin. One of its standout features is the sliding rear seats, allowing you to adjust legroom or cargo space as needed. The infotainment system is top-notch, providing seamless connectivity and an intuitive user experience. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Captur offers a comfortable ride with relatively quiet cruising capabilities. The hybrid version operates near silently at low speeds, enhancing the overall driving experience. However, it's worth noting that the 90 Petrol variant isn't the quickest in the lineup, and the hybrid's power delivery could be smoother. Safety and technology are at the forefront of the Captur's design. The vehicle comes equipped with a new generation of driver assistance systems, including active driver assist for level 2 autonomous driving and predictive hybrid driving features. These advancements contribute to a safer and more efficient driving experience. Pricing for the 2025 Renault Captur varies by region and trim level. In Europe, the starting price is approximately $28,000, which translates to around $30,000. In Australia, prices range from $33,000 to $39,500, depending on the variant. In summary, the 2025 Renault Captur offers a compelling package for those seeking a stylish, practical, and technologically advanced compact SUV. Its blend of modern design, efficient performance, and innovative features makes it a strong contender in its segment. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a family road trip, the Captur is designed to meet your needs with confidence and flair.